Okay, good day. My name is Kende Odumosu. This is my assignment on the same web services. I want to complete it for this work. For this is project four. Then with for project two, part two, which is authentication of the CSA of the school API, which I did the all week. So I want to add authorization and how to demonstrate how to use whole authorization on effectively on with GitHub account. So in that case, this task is focused on authorization and how to use it effectively. Effectively authentication use authenticates your user to protect the user who should be able to have access to the database and who should not be able to have access to the database. And this time around, I'm using this my GitHub account I've created before. It was not having my secrets session secret GitHub client ID and also GitHub client secret and GitHub callback. So now I'm having in my middleware, I have my authorization JavaScript now. And then as well, in this route also, I've also added it here now. So in this one now, I want to run this my school API. We want to make sure that it works very well. So I'm going to write and then this one now should be right. Once it's load here, I go there. Okay, this is it's loading now. So I go here. This is the swag interface. And then yeah, this is the interface. So okay, for me to know that if I actually so let me just say okay, out, out. Then status, let me just put status. So should be able to give me a okay. So created user. So authenticated user. This means by this. Okay, let me just say GitHub now. GitHub. Yeah, sure. So okay. Save stream. Um It actually loading and okay, authentication successful. So user, so I've logged in then. So it's successful. In that case, I can be able to do something. In case maybe let me just say log out here. If I log out, if I log out, it may not be able to let me do anything. Log out. Okay, log out. It should be able to tell me that I've logged out successfully. So I've logged out successfully in this. So by the time I log out successfully, let me just see if we can still do this. Maybe I go here. Will I be able to do something else again? If I log out, so, okay. So it's not allow me to do something. Let me just try it. If I can do something. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it out here. So I'm gonna try it out here. It should. Um, I'm saying this. Okay. It's not. You must be logged in to access these resources. Okay, I know because I'm not logged in and I need to be authorized. In order to use these resources, I need to be authorized. Okay, in that case, that means I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in. Log in by logging in. I want to do this by logging in. I want to write authorization. Alt, alt, also login, login. Thank you. To be able to log me on. No, excuse me. Um, status. Let me just GitHub. Okay, GitHub. Let me just see. GitHub. GitHub. So so it means I'm logged in now. I've been able to log in. Let me say, oh, if I can just say something. So by this, I think let me just go to the teacher get teacher. Let me just say great teacher. So great teacher here now. Let's see. Um, great teacher here. So it's by doing this now, I shall now. Okay. 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 Yeah. So I'm gonna execute it. When I execute it should be able to turn that. So created successfully. This time around now is not telling me that I need to log in back because I have logged in. I've been authorized to do it here. So this is my this is it. This is my week 4. Or even week 4. So so that is it on this. No, I need to delete the teacher. So when I'm deleting the teacher, I need to go to that, get the ID, the ID, okay. I created one before. So I need to use the ID, which the one I created with the ID, I created the ID with it. So if I want to delete the teacher, I use the ESC, I use it as well. I use that ID. So I can say I want to create a teacher. Oh no, it will allow me if I did not click this. So I put it here. So I need to execute. All because I was the teacher deleted successfully. There's message. So because I have logged into but authorization is working. So I think thank you. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye.